So hello. If you want to use Canva for your design and all that, it's pretty much easy to use Canva. All you need to do is just to download Canva. You can pay for premium version, or you can even use. You don't have to use Canva. You can use any other thing as long as you have. You can use Paint. You can use anything. But I prefer Canva because it's very easy to use. Now, if you want to build something, maybe you want to create a blog for your website. I mean, a picture for your website. Just go to. It's the same thing if you are using mobile phone. It's the same thing. Just it's just that the screen is a bit smaller. Of course, you can go to YouTube as well to see how to use Canva for phone. It's the same thing. So what you need to do is just to open the. You can create. I want to create anything. Just select picture. You can search for picture, or blog. Search for blog, blog post. So you see now blog banner, blog website. So you select blog banner. You can select blog banner, or you can select normal post, anyone that is convenient for you. You can also select this one, blog banner. But the pixel is somehow okay. I can select blog banner now. So when you select blog banner, which is still okay, and all I have to do is just to go to templates. From templates, I can now search for instance, maybe I want to talk about fashion. I'll select fashion, and then I need to search for the template. When you search for templates, you see lots of beautiful templates here, and all I have to do is just to select the template. And if I want to change the image, I can easily double click or click on it, move it around like this, remove whatever I want to remove, just delete anyone that I don't want, and uh, delete anything. If you want to put your website, maybe your website's name, so that there won't be any copyright and things like that, you can easily put it. You can now go to, let's say you want to change this one now. You can select it. You can also change the font. You can change everything. Let's say I want to change this one to fashion. Just add S, and I'm good to go. Now, suppose I want to change this picture. This is template. Template will give you default templates. But if you want to change picture, you can go to elements. When you click elements, look for it on mobile phone as well. It will go. You can write attire or fashion or anything that you want to do. Let's say fashion or dressing. Let me just use fashion as well. This one will only show image graphics. You can select any graphics of your choice. You see graphics, and you can select photos. These are photos, fashion. When I click it now, I add it to this to display. I can delete. Maybe I want to take this one to this side, and then take this person to this guy to this side. Excellent. So there are lots to do. I can add this polo. I can add this nice picture to it. So I can drag it. So it is my responsibility to now design it the way I wanted and to fit in. I can select this. Look at it now. Let me delete this. I can select this and then put it here. You see, powerful. And let me delete this guy. So that's just it. There's no magic to it. And if I want to, I can also remove the background for this one. Let's say I want to remove the background. Select it. You see BG remover. But that one is if you have paid for premium version. I will be able to remove the background of the picture. You see now, very powerful. Then I can erase, I can delete, I can flip over. Let's say I want to flip horizontally. You see, I can flip. So if I want to animate it, maybe I want it to move around like this. But obviously I don't need this because it's just an image. Then this one too, I want to remove the background. Just click on this background and we're cool. So that is just it. Then if you want to add text, you can click on this text here and add new text here. When you add text, this is my text now. I can make it 50 and change the text font. Click on this Dream Avenue or something. You can change text fonts. Alice. Then move it down way like this. The same thing. Just look for the name on mobile app. It's still the same thing. Take your time to look for the name. I can disable the uppercase and make it bold. Something like that. Let me just write Nano workers there. Nano workers. Excellent. So .com. That's just it. Excellent. Even if you want to design your logo, everything is there. And once, if I want to finish now say let's say I'm now through with this, I want to finish, I can go to share and just share it. Always share, you download it as, just make sure always share as JPEG. I think I'm going to do the mobile version as well, so that if you are using mobile version, you will be able to do it. I will use mobile version to create the 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 logo. So you want to create your own logo. So I'm going to share and download. Share and then download it. Once I click download, I'm going to click on download. So, and that's to save on your computer, and you can now upload it to anywhere you want to upload it to. So just going to save it like this. That's all. So it's very, very easy to use, very, very easy to use, and very, very straightforward. All you have to do is just to know what to put. And if I go to show Explorer now, this is it. I can easily. So the reason why I say you should always make it JPEG is because of the size, so that it will not be too big. So you see this beautiful design now. So anything you are looking for, just go, first of all, search for the templates, search for the templates, add it to the scene. Then you go to elements, you add your picture. Let me go to elements. You can add picture, you can add graphics. This is graphics. All these small pictures are graphics. But if you want to have full-blown picture, you go to this and search for your picture. Just at the bottom, at the top here. Then you can, if you want, maybe if it is free alone, you want it to be vertical, horizontal. You know, these are pictures now. This one is horizontal. This is vertical. So, and that's all. So it's very, very easy to use. And if you want to use your own picture, you can also import your own picture. If you go to this page now, let's say you have an existing picture. Let me say this guy, I want to import, let's say this to, I will just drag it and then paste it. See, I now have it there. And I can use it in my application, in my design. So it's a very powerful tool, and I want everyone to explore it. So in the next video, I'm going to create the logo version, I mean the mobile app, so that you will know how to go about it.